one person lose their best friend, and I would get out and I would make a difference. And I would make sure that everyone would have a best friend like I had.
I don't know.
And I think about her and the difference that she could make. And if she could stand on this stage today, she is the strongest person in this entire room. And she was 11 years old. And I think every day of her. And then I hope that one day I can be as strong and as courageous and as beautiful as she was. So thank you guys so much.
Thank you so much, City of Hope. We love you guys. Thanks for all your support. You gave us hope. Much love.
Thank you guys so much.
Thank you guys so much for coming out. Before you go, we have one special video for you to watch right now.
Okay, not
it's
yet.
from everybody at City of Hope thanking you. So check the screens.